don't throw out your couch until you watch this video. If you have an old couch, whether it's leather, fabric, if it's stained, if it's ripped, if it's torn, as long as it doesn't smell, I say keep it and get yourself a slip-on cover such as this. Just kind of lounging, doing my own thing. No wrinkles. Look in the description for a link to an interactive flip book that we've created for you on Unboxing Army, where you can flip through many assortments of slip-on covers for sofas, love seats, indoor and outdoor. And this is the larger version. So we also are gonna be changing up these pillows. If you like these designs or other ones, check them out in the description. So there's a zipper. No matter how dark your pillow is, this pattern is gonna cover it. It's not really that see-through. Now that we've got the pillows done, let's move on to the actual love seat. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna take this out, get rid of anything around your space. So we got our cover. You're gonna notice there's strings across the slip-on cover. This is what's sort of gonna tie in underneath and what's gonna hold this in place. Now the line has to go parallel to the length of your couch. So find a line, make sure the tag is at the back and put this over top. The next step is to use our foam rollers and start stuffing them from the center out. If you run out of these or you feel that you need more, go to your local dollar store, grab the swimming pool noodles, cut them in 4s, and then there you have it. Those are actually better than these because they're a little too small. I wish they were a little bigger. All right, so the easy part is done. Now we need to tilt the sofa up, tie the strings. In our case, we have to take the bar off, and we are gonna make use of binder clips. If you wanna use a staple gun or some thumbtacks or any nails, you can. If you're working by yourself, here's a tip for you. If you need to raise the couch so you can remove the legs, use 2 paint cans. There we go. So you wanna take this and you wanna wrap it underneath. However, because we have this, we have to take this out first. So we loosen this up just so we can wrap this underneath here. Most people don't have this, they just have legs. All right, so we're almost there. Now we're gonna grab our binder clips and we're gonna remove this crease and that crease. We have to do this underneath the couch. You wanna grab one edge and pull the front edge together, create a little overlap in the fabric, and take your binder clip, preferably the bigger ones because they're a lot stronger, and then just clip it on. So here's how we use the paper clips right here. Tighten them as you need to remove any creases that you don't like. You will end up probably with one little crease. See, for me, it's right here. So we want to almost just have this crease be a straight line. But no matter what, you will end up with creases. Now this should be at the very top because the handrest is so wide. Let's take this up. Final few adjustments. All right, so there it is. This is the final product. As you can see, quite the change indeed. I'm gonna go sit down to show you if the creases come back, and they don't. All right, so I'm basically just kind of lounging, doing my own thing, right? And I get up, and absolutely no wrinkles. So overall, a 5-star out of 5-star. Now I did try 2 other types of slip covers, also ordered on Amazon. Unfortunately, they did not have any strings and they weren't as stretchy and flexible as this particular brand. It does come in different colors and styles and textures. So look in the description for a link to an interactive flip book that we've created for you on Unboxing Army, where you can flip through many assortments of slip-on covers for sofas, love seats, indoor and outdoor. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video has been educational and informative and it helped you to make a decision I know education is important, but big biceps are important. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.